Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to Sweet and Savory Kitchen. Today I have aloo anday recipe for you. This is an amazing dish, my family loves it, and it's quick and easy. For this I have about 7 to 8 eggs, large size eggs, about 3 peeled and sliced potatoes, and the spices I have here: green onion, tomatoes, cilantro, fried onion. If you have fresh, that's fine too. About 4 green chilies, garlic and ginger paste. And I have here salt, 1 teaspoon salt, turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon to 1/2 teaspoon, red chili, 1 teaspoon, garam masala, coriander powder, and cumin powder. And I have here about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, which I use in all my cooking. And if you don't have coconut oil, use the vegetable oil. That'll be just fine. And butter if you like that. To begin, I have my stove on medium heat. So I'm going to start by adding the coconut oil. And to the coconut oil, I'm going to add all the ingredients. We're basically just going to make masala before we add the potatoes. So everything is going to go in. We are going to fry this. So now I'm going to add just a little bit of water, not too much, about a tablespoon of water. And we're going to let it cook for about 5 minutes before we add our spices. It doesn't need to be covered up. You can let it cook this way. I'll see you then. So it's been 5 minutes since this is cooking. At this point, I'm going to add our spices and about a tablespoon of water. And mix it well. And it's going to cook an additional 5 minutes, and then we're going to add the potatoes. It's been 5 minutes, the masala is looking good. Now we're going to add the potatoes. We're going to cook it a little bit before I add water. So make sure all of them are coated really good. Now we're going to add about 1/4 cup of water. This would allow the potatoes to get tender. And we're going to cover and cook for 10 minutes. Are done. Check and see if they are cooked through, and it's time to add the eggs. I have whisked the eggs. We're going to pour it over the potatoes. And we're going to mix it and let it cook. It's going to take maybe 5 minutes until everything is cooked. You gotta keep stirring. It's been a little over 5 minutes. The egg is cooked, and as you can see, it looks a lot different. And at this point, I usually add olive oil, just drizzle over, and it is ready to serve. You can serve it with rice, you can serve it with roti, naan, paratha, whatever you have available, or even bread. It is delicious and it's quick and easy. The whole thing took me maybe about half an hour from start to end. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.